This is your 1-minute Python primer. Click the link to run the notebook. Dark mode in Jupyter Notebooks will save your eyes. You can use shell commands to check the date and list your files. You can add images to notebooks 3 ways. There are these variable types in Python: integers, strings, Unicode strings, multi-line strings, tuples, dictionaries, and classes. Functions help you do things. You can have class constructors, methods, and variables. Unicode variable names are possible and very handy. You also have the NumPy library for numerical analysis and linear algebra. You can load NumPy arrays different ways and plot your next move. String operations are supported with list comprehensions, values and slicing, comparison operators, numerical arithmetic, and symbolic arithmetic. Comments, control flow with if, for, and while, an inflection library, exception handling, file operations, and now you're done.